Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Ordinary Peeling Solution is probably one of the most talked about skincare products on the market right now, promising a dramatic transformation for your complexion with its potent blend of acids. And today we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype and if it's the right exfoliating treatment for your specific skin concerns and goals, helping you achieve that coveted radiant glow. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This tool instantly mattifies your complexion, leaving you with a shine-free look. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Whether you're at home or out and about, you can achieve a matte finish anytime. Simply roll it over your skin for a quick refresh. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone and is reusable and washable, making it a sustainable choice. Need a replacement? Refills are available separately. You can easily swap out the roller balls without needing to buy a new handle. What we like? This product instantly mattifies and absorbs oil for a shine-free look. It removes excess oil without messing up your makeup. If you have oily skin and are looking for a quick touch-up on the go, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This product is a game-changer for acne and hyperpigmentation. It effectively exfoliates the skin, revealing a brighter and smoother complexion. Users report a significant reduction in breakouts and dark spots after consistent use. Number 4. First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Are you struggling with the appearance of keratosis pilaris, often called chicken skin? This powerful scrub is designed to help. With 10% AHA, including glycolic and lactic acids, it effectively exfoliates your skin. It works to reduce the look of those stubborn bumps. Don't let sensitive skin hold you back from smoother skin. This formula is safe and gentle, even for those with sensitivities. Experience a noticeable difference as it helps to reveal softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. Get ready to feel confident. This is your go-to solution for managing keratosis pilaris. Achieve a refined skin texture with regular use. Plus, you get a bonus item with this special offer. It's a great way to stock up on your favorite treatment. What we like? This body scrub is formulated with 10% AHA to exfoliate and reduce the appearance of chicken skin and bumps. It's also safe for sensitive skin. If you struggle with keratosis pilaris or uneven skin texture on your body, this scrub is designed to help. What people say. This is my holy grail product. It has made my skin so smooth and bright. I use it twice a week and my acne scars are fading. I was skeptical at first, but this stuff really works. My skin texture has improved dramatically, and I have fewer breakouts. The Ordinary Peeling Solution is a game changer for dull skin. It exfoliates effectively, revealing a brighter complexion. I've noticed a significant reduction in hyperpigmentation. Number 3. Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Face Toner. Discover the power of gentle exfoliation with our unique formula. It works to reveal smoother, clearer skin without irritation. This Korean-inspired toner targets pores effectively, refining their appearance. Simultaneously, it delivers a surge of hydration to keep your skin plump and dewy. Infused with the goodness of watermelon and cactus water, it nourishes your skin. Experience a refreshing sensation with every application. Our advanced blend of PHA and BHA provides effective chemical exfoliation. It helps to shed dead skin cells, promoting a brighter complexion. More than just an exfoliant, it's a hydrating toner designed for all skin types. Enjoy balanced, healthy-looking skin with consistent use. Unlock your skin's potential with this multitasking toner. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine for a visible transformation. What we like? This exfoliating toner gently refines pores and hydrates the skin. It combines PHA and BHA for effective exfoliation without irritation. If you're looking for a daily toner that tackles pores while keeping your skin moisturized, this is a great choice. What people say. The Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution is a high-strength exfoliant. It contains a blend of alpha-hydroxy acids, glycolic, lactic, citric, and beta-hydroxy acid, salicylic acid. The solution aims to improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and enhance radiance. Number 2. Peter Thomas Roth FIRMx Peeling Gel. Tired of dull skin? Discover a gentle way to reveal a brighter complexion. It's time to refresh your skin's natural glow. Say goodbye to rough texture and visible pores. This effective formula helps to refine your skin's surface. Achieve a smoother, more even look and feel. Experience the unique peeling action that lifts away impurities. It works to gently slough off dead skin cells. Reveal the fresh skin underneath. Designed to be effective yet gentle, it's suitable for most skin types. You can achieve exfoliation without harshness. Enjoy a comfortable and revitalizing treatment. See a noticeable difference after just one use. It helps to improve clarity and smoothness. Get ready for skin that looks and feels revitalized. Incorporate this into your routine for a healthy-looking complexion. It's your secret weapon for radiant skin. Unlock your skin's true potential. What we like. This gentle facial exfoliant works to improve skin texture and combat dullness. It effectively removes dead skin cells for a smoother complexion. If you desire a mild yet effective exfoliation to reveal brighter, smoother skin, this peeling gel is ideal. What people say. This is a good product. It works well. Number 1. Glycolic acid 50% gel peel. Experience a professional-grade skin peel designed for advanced exfoliation. This powerful formula helps reveal smoother, brighter skin. Featuring a 50% concentration of glycolic acid, this gel peel effectively targets dullness and uneven texture. It works to deeply cleanse and refine your complexion. Enriched with retinol for skin renewal and green tea extract for antioxidant protection. These ingredients work synergistically to enhance your skin's natural radiance. This professional treatment is designed to revitalize tired skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and imperfections. Achieve a more youthful and refreshed look. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Its gel formulation ensures easy and precise application for optimal effectiveness. Witness a noticeable improvement in skin texture and clarity. It helps to diminish the look of pores and promote a more even skin tone. What we like. This is a professional-grade 50% glycolic acid peel enhanced with retinol and green tea extract. It offers a potent exfoliation for significant skin improvement. If you are experienced with chemical peels and seeking a powerful treatment to address concerns like acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines, this product is for you. What people say. This product is a game-changer for my skin. It has significantly improved my skin texture and reduced the appearance of pores. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and the results are amazing. My skin feels smoother and looks brighter. I was hesitant to try this at first, but I'm so glad I did. It's a powerful exfoliant that really gets rid of dead skin cells. My skin feels incredibly soft and looks so much clearer after using it. I highly recommend this to anyone looking for a good chemical exfoliant. This peeling solution is incredibly effective. It helps to fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation, leaving my skin with a more even tone. I've noticed a huge difference in the clarity and brightness of my complexion. It's definitely worth the investment for clearer, smoother skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.